Welcome to our Certified AI Transformation Leader (CAITL) dashboard. Explore the dashboard and unravel assessment submissions, program curriculum, and candidate evaluation guidelines before proceeding. You can edit your personal details in the Profile section, and can view your registered programs in the My Programs tab, as you can register for multiple AI certifications. Further on, My Orders will showcase invoices and receipts of the programs you have enrolled with. You can download them as well. Moving on to the most important section, My Resources, consisting of 3 world-class ebooks, easily downloadable, and an e-learning portal to access lay of videos and other AI learning resources. On successful completion of the program, you are awarded a globally accepted certification that will look like this with your name and details mentioned on it. That comes with a shareable digital badge as shown on the screen. To view your digital badge, click on View More icon. The badge contains your name, certified member number, and the name of the certification earned. You are free to add up your previously earned qualifications, additional certificates on the awarded certification as well. The Innovation and Insights section takes you through USAII resources page that offers an array of contemporary information on AI and much more in a comprehensible downloadable format for absolutely free. Here's you and tries to resolve all your concerns via help section addressing all your queries regarding the program. USAII pledges to make AI education accessible for all leaders. Enroll now.